Don't say you don't have talent. Think of the platforms or the outlets where you can place them and make cool cash. Hi and welcome to Busting with Annie. My name is Annie and today I'm going to teach you different ways you can monetize your skills, whatsoever those skills may be. But before I go on, I'd like you to please click the red subscribe button below and like this video if you haven't already. If you've done so, please do keep on watching and enjoy. Thank you very much. I just finished filming a video on my other channel and I have this munch it snacks left over. So I'm going to be munching it. I don't know if you noticed, but yeah, I'm on the floor with my laptop in front of me because I want to be demonstrating what I'm doing on the laptop. I'll put it on the screen maybe. This is basically how I work most of the time, on the floor. So I like to say this, people actually have so many skills that sometimes they get so confused as to what to do with them and they don't even know they can fully monetize their skills. They don't even try to develop them and then make opportunities for monetizing them. So even if you think that you don't have skills, I know there are some people that will say, oh, I don't have skills, I don't have talent. If you have a job, if you are doing something for somebody, there must be something that is keeping you on that job. There is a reason why you are still there. There is something you're offering. So that is a skill that you have. Don't say you don't have talent. So I'm going to be using a Google spreadsheet to demonstrate what I'm saying because I'm going to be walking you through steps on how you can do what I'm saying you can do. Or gets me? So the first thing we're going to do is to open a blank spreadsheet. On this spreadsheet, you're going to list out all your skills. Whatever it is that you are knowledgeable about, that you can teach to somebody. Maybe it's video editing, you're good at accounting, you're good at art, you're good at interior decor. We're going to list all of them out here. Makeup tutorials. I'm going to list out many so it can be as diverse as possible. Video editing. These are things you can do and you can also teach them to people, right? Accounting, art, interior, decor. Okay, let's keep it at that. The next thing you're going to do now is to line up the skills and think of the top 3 that you can easily commit to. It could even be things that you do for yourself, like things you know that, okay, I can commit to this thing too. If I start doing it now, in the next 1 year, I will not be tired of it. So let's just say video editing, interior decor. Let's just say content creation. Let me add content creation there. So the third thing you're going to do now is to think of different ways you can do them for other people. Like if you do these things for yourself or maybe your company that you work for, think of how you can do them for other people as maybe a freelancer or whatever it is. Or maybe as another job, I don't know. Also think of ways you can pass the knowledge of these skills to other people, right? Because there's always somebody out there looking for what you know. There's somebody that does not know what you know and would give anything to learn these things. So you can teach people how to do them in workshops, or you can offer the service directly to them. So for this one, I'm just going to create 2 more columns, service and coaching. Oh, my head is going below the camera. The next thing would be to think of the kind of people you can do them for. Like, who do you think needs this thing? Who do you think would want to learn video editing? Who do you think would need a video editing service? So for video editing service, you can say, okay, YouTubers, sometimes they don't have time. Coaching, who would need a video editing? Let's just say aspiring video creators. So you can coach those people on how to edit videos. For interior decor, who would need that service? Let's just say homeowners. You need to be specific, like you cannot say homeowners. I'm just being very generic. I'm just using this as example. Homeowners. Who would need coaching on interior decor? It could be homeowners too, but people who are looking into offering these services commercially, right? Aspiring interior designers. Content creation service, who can you offer this to? You can offer content creation services to brands. You can offer content creation coaching to your fellow creators. The next thing we're going to do is to think of the delivery method. Will it be online or physical? And how do you intend to do that? Let me just create another column for delivery. Delivery. So for video editing services, you can do them online. Even the coaching, you can do them online too. So let's just say online. So the delivery of interior decor services is going to be physical, obviously, because if you want to decorate somebody's house, I think there is a way you can do it virtually now. So, or you just walk them throughout the, I don't know if they do that too. Please, physical is what I know. So coaching, is it going to be online or physical? You can do that. I think physical is going to be preferable for that. Or you can just say physical/online. Content creation, the service is online. Coaching too is going to be online. Unless you have people that want to see your face, because most things are done online these days. So if you have the strength to host a physical class, definitely go for it. Some people find it easier to learn when they can see the person beside them, but me, honestly, the next thing you're going to think about is the resources you need. What do you need to start offering video editing services? Let's just say you need a laptop, you need a software. What do you need to start offering interior decor services? I don't know what they need to start offering the interior decor services. So I'll have to do something. I think I will separate the delivery and every other thing for services and coaching. So it's more extensive, okay? So let's just put the same thing for all the others. Don't worry, I'm going to make those templates available to you so you can always edit it if you like working with spreadsheets, and if you have a problem, let me know. I'll probably put it at a small fee. I don't know yet. It depends on how I feel after this video. The resources you need to offer interior decor services. You will need the interior decor now, the props, interior decor items, whatever. This is just sample. I don't know anything about interior decor. Oh god, I suck at it. Feel free to join me. Then the next thing we're going to think about is what resources do you need to offer content creation services to brands? Your camera, that's if you're a video creator like me. I need my camera, I need other equipment, blah blah blah. What resources do you need for coaching aspiring video creators? You need all your equipment, you need the software, same thing, blah 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 for both sides. The resources to coach aspiring interior designers for interior decor, you can find that out if you're looking at that direction. What resources would you need to coach your fellow creators on content creation? So if I was teaching other content creators, what would I need? I'll need the knowledge, obviously. I'll need my own templates to show them. I'll need my class hosting services and all that. Now, like I said, this is not an extensive thing. This is not necessary for you to follow because I'm just typing whatever comes to my head right now. So you need to go and think about it. I'm just giving you these templates to make it easier for you. Now, think of the platforms or the outlets where you can place them and make cool cash. All right. So the next thing we're going to be doing now is to insert. Now let's just bring this down a bit. I think because of time, I'm just going to focus on the service part. So you can go ahead and fill out the coaching aspect of it, okay? So let me just highlight this. This is coaching. This is service. You can also tweak it however you want to, if you wish. For platforms, video editing, the platforms where I can place my video editing services and make cool cash. I can do that on Fiverr. I can do that on Upwork. I can do that on Seller, etc. Interior decor, where do you guys place your services? What platforms do you place your service? How do you market it? How do you see customers? Okay, so you can just say any marketplace, online marketplace, website. By the way, Fiverr, Upwork, Seller, all of those, they are all marketplaces, okay? So buyer, seller meets marketplace. Content creation, what platforms can I put my content creation services? Okay, so if you're a content creator, you can also double as an influencer. So go to influencer platforms, for also freelance platforms. You can also start that on Facebook. If you need more information on that Facebook thing, let me know. There are multiple places where you can place yourself as a content creator and sell your services. Okay, so you can also create a website, but I'm not going to write that down. The next thing you want to think about is how you want to promote them. How do you intend to promote your services? How do you want people to get to see you? So promotion. How am I going to promote my video editing services? I can post links on social media. If you're already on marketplaces, how do you intend to promote yourself? You can share with your contacts, pay for ads, etc. You can also create your portfolio. The next thing, interior decor, where can you promote your own services? You can do Facebook ads, etc. For content creators, how do you want to market your content creator services? You can also do that through ads. You can do that through building your portfolio, etc. You can reach out to your ideal customers. That's how you promote yourself, because some people will not know that you're existing if you don't let them know that you're existing. So there are also other ways you can promote all of this, all your services. Is it through video, through blogs? Let me just write them down. Ebooks, my video editing, create videos. Now you need to plan how you are going to get paid. Some of these platforms that I talked about, some of the marketplaces, they already have a payment scheme. So you don't need to be worrying about how you're going to collect your payment from people, or maybe you run away or something. So they can pay directly into your Fiverr wallet, and then from there you can withdraw it into your bank or your PayPal, wherever it is. For each platform, it's different. So let me just insert to the right. Payment. How am I going to get paid? If I'm offering my services to YouTubers for video editing. So I'm just going to have to make some adjustments after this video, because there's something about spreadsheets. You don't know how it's going to go until you actually finish the whole thing. So I'm just going to rearrange this before I package it and offer it up for, for editing. So I can set up a PayPal. If I'm on the marketplaces, I could set up a third-party collection app like Flutterwave. My camera battery is running down, so I need to rush this up. So for interior decor, you need to have maybe a business account. It's for content creators, you need to have also a business account, maybe a PayPal account. However the customer can pay you. Make sure that your payment platform is ready to collect money, okay? I'm just going to clean this up and package it for you. As you go on, you realize there are even more ways to get monetized. There are more ways for you to make money out of your skills. It's not limited to whatever I write here. So you can always populate this as much as you can. So even from each of the outlets that you've identified, even from each of the skills, you notice that there are more ways. Even for this video editing, apart from coaching, apart from offering the service, you just notice that there are other different ways that you can make money from that skill. So don't limit yourself, okay? For example, if you are good at content creation, you'll notice that you can also create merch, you can do fan support, you can get money from brand partnerships. It's a whole lot, So if there's no excuse to say, okay, I don't have this thing, there's no way I'm making money, there's always a way to make money, okay? You've just not had the privilege to get the information you need. So I'm going to leave a link to where you can gain access to this spreadsheet. So you can always edit it to your taste and keep it for future purpose, and always re-edit and re-edit, blah, blah, blah. So that's if you don't want to create yours from scratch, but this is pretty basic. Now, so this is one of the ways where I monetize my skills by, sharing knowledge and then creating a product. So now I'm teaching you how to monetize your own skills, and I've also created a product. This is a digital product. This spreadsheet I am sharing with you. So I've monetized 2 skills here: content creation and the use of spreadsheet. That's a skill if you don't know. So how are you going to monetize your skills? What skills do you have? How are you going to be making money from it? What are you going to be writing in this spreadsheet? Let me know. I would like you to share it with me, okay? I would like you to leave a comment if you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more like this. Thanks so much for watching. I would really love to keep you on this channel where you can learn a lot about being a boss girl. And I can only do so if you hit the red subscribe button below and like this video. Turn on all post notifications so you know whenever we make a new post. On this channel, I share career, business, personal development, personal finance content for the boss girl that you are. So please share with somebody that will also find this helpful. You can see more important information in the pinned comment below and the description box. The link to the spreadsheet will be in the description box below. Until my next video, please do have a good time and keep bossing. See you and bye. Mwah. Thank you so much for watching. I would really love to see what you've done with this, and I would really love to see that it has helped someone out there, okay? So don't hesitate to share if it does, okay? Mwah.